Hello and welcome to the final workout. We made it to 40 weeks. This is going to be a light workout. We're going to have some hip moves, maybe a little bit of light squats in there to help get everything ready. And I had my last prenatal appointment today, which I hope I did. I do have another one scheduled next week just in case. And I'll talk about that a little bit during the workout. We're going to just have some fun, just moving a little bit. We're going to take it easy as it is our last workout together. We'll start with a light warm-up and get right into our moves. Linda Pedersen here with Fitness for Mamas. Let's start with a side step here. My daughter, who is how old, is joining us today. How old are you?
3.5.
3.5. Yeah. And she'll be in and out of the workout, I'm sure. Baby's moving.
Yeah, baby's moving.
Yeah. Did you hear baby's heartbeat today?
Yeah.
And Mama got her membrane stripped today too. So we'll see if it progresses. Let's add in the arms and push side to side. Woo! Lower the arms down. Push those hips out. Loosen things up. I've been having some tightness in my lower back. Woo. And bring it to center here. And get into like a sumo squat position and just drop it down and bring it up. Not too far. Use your arms too. Woo. And have a shopping cart. And squeeze those glutes at the top. Oh, this feels good just to move. Definitely was not motivated today to do this at all. Had a huge burst of energy last week. And now this week, wowzers. Big drop. We're going to start with our first move. Just follow me. We're going to be doing some rocking to the hips side to side. Here we go. Rock it side to side. Push baby towards the spine to engage that core. Remember, this is your workout. You take it at your pace. You can even just slow it down. Just find that comfort zone for where you're at for this last workout together. Woo! You can do a little bit of a toe tap with it. Have fun. Move those arms any which way you would like. You can even try to lower to squat a little bit and then come back up. And then lower. You can go as low as you would like. There we go. Nicely done. So our next move will be arm pushes from side to side. You'll be like lunging back. And again, you can go as low as you are comfortable with. We'll start this way here. Here we go. Push and push. Woo! That's the term I can think of right now. Getting ready to push baby out. Woo! Really bring those elbows back. Feel a nice stretch in between those shoulder blades. Breathe. Practice that breathing. Breathe out as you push your elbows back. And remember, you can always pick up the pace. You can always lunge it hard, lower. This is my comfort zone for now. And with the ligaments and just everything going on with baby. Say hello to baby, bring those arms back and push. Rest. And now we're going to be pushing our arms up. We're going to be circling around. And then you can kind of just rock those hips. You can also lower into a squat as we go around. We'll start this way. Here we go. Just circle. Have fun with it. Woo! Pump those arms. And you can get lower. If you'd like. Woo! Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Switch directions. Just really have fun with this. You can alternate it, doing toe taps, or you could just be walking it. Make it your own, whatever this rhythm is. Maybe you have a song on in the background, and you're like dancing to it. Woo! Switch directions. Last circle right here. Woo! Nicely done. Now we're going to be doing side steps, arm push. So we'll be doing 2 steps the other way. Get ready for it. We'll start with your right side here. 2 steps the other way. Woo, bring it up to the ceiling. Woo, there you go. Looking good. Last week, the theme was stretching and workouts. So check that out. It's an awesome one just to get ready for baby and just stretching everything out. You can always go back to that. Woo! Especially if you feel like you want some more workouts this week. You can pick up the pace. Remember, go with what's comfortable and where you're at right now. A couple more seconds. And rest. Nice. And now we have our sumo squat. So we're coming down, touch those knees, coming up, say hello to baby, and then come right back down. Woo! Here we go. Down and up, hello, down and up, hello. Bring it down. I'm gonna add in one more right here. Say hello, baby. Bring those arms out and back, and then down. Woo! Oh, excuse you. Woo, that must have been a nice release. Woo! Squeeze those glutes at the top when you come up. Hold here, bring the shoulder blades back, squeeze those glutes. Nice. There you go. Push baby towards the spine. Woo! 5 more seconds. Last one. Rest. Nice work. Now we have side step with elbows. So bringing that knee up and then elbow. You can go faster too if you'd like. I'm going to start this direction, left side. Woo! Boom, 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 boom. Oh! Can even drop it lower and go faster. Woo! Kick up that heel too. Yeah. So dance inspired, just some movement here. Woo! Choo, choo, choo. Cha, cha, cha. Woo! 5 more seconds. And then we go to the top of the round. Woo! Rest. Nice. And then we start with those rocking those hips. We'll start here in one moment. Do a little bit of an active rest here. Maybe have some music on. You can dance to that in between. Here we go. Rock 'em. You can lower to that squat too. And then you can bring it up. There you go. Nice. And lower. Woo! And you bring it up. Just find what way you want to move with it. Feel free with it. Let it flow. Bring it up. Last time coming down. And rest. Nicely done. And now we have our arm pushes, lunges. So just going back and forth. Here we go. Right side. Push. Bring those elbows back. Woo. Make sure that your toes go in the directions that you go. Nice. Woo. Feel like my belly just needs like extra support. I do have a support band on too. Yeah. So make sure, let me know where you're at in your journey. If you are in your 40th week, maybe you're sooner, maybe you're 41 weeks or so. Let me know. I want to know how you're feeling. And just how everything is going. Woo! 3 more seconds. 2, 1. Rest. And now we have our side step, arm push towards the ceiling. So 2 times up and then 2 times the other direction. We'll start towards your right side. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Woo! There you go. If you've been following me this whole time and doing all the workouts, that is phenomenal. I am so happy and proud of you. Woo! Yeah. And I would also appreciate if you want to share this with another mama could benefit from these. That would be great. Woo! Up. Yeah. Few more seconds. Woo! 3, 2, 1, and rest. Nice. We're gonna go to our sumo squat. So out to the knees, say hello to baby, and put those arms out, and then come back. Here we go, get ready. Hello, woo! Yeah, come back down to the knees. Hello, arms out, squeeze those glutes and those shoulder blades, and come back down. Woo! So kiddo is super focused in the background here. Yeah, you're doing awesome. What are you playing with? It has like these bingo circles. I've been lining them all up. She likes to organize things. Woo! Squeeze. Yeah. Woo! Nice. 3 more seconds. Woo! And rest. And now we have our side step elbow. Woo! Get ready. Here we go. Side step. Woo! Woo, there you go. Step back. Hello, baby. I feel ya. Pushing down. Woo! Boom, 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 boom. Kick up a heel if you want. Woo! Boom. Boom.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. 10 more seconds. Woo. Rest. We're going to do a combo move for our last round before our cool down. I want to do a little more sumo squat moves here because that's the position that we're going to be in for the birthing. Here we go. Sumo squat. Knees to the belly. Tap that heel in. Bring it back out. Down to knees. Belly. Tap the opposite heel in. And come back down. Belly. Woo! Come back down. Bring those arms up. Tap. Woo! There we go. Let it flow. You can say hello too if you'd like, or just keep those arms going. Woo. There you go. Very nice. 10 more seconds, and then it's our cool down.
Then we done?
And then we're done. And then we're gonna paint some nails. Rest. Just do a bit of a side step here. Bring down that heart rate slowly. Woo. Cool everything off and we'll stretch things back out. Pick up an ankle, stretch that quad. Nice. Woo. Switch sides. There you go. Feel that into your quad, up into your hip flexor. Let's do hips flexor stretch right here. Lunge that leg back, push heel towards the ground. You can have a little bend in your knees so you're standing upright. Switch sides. Good work. Weave those fingers in the back. Pull your arms up. Stretch everything out. Bring it forward. Drive that chin down. Holy moly. I hold so much tension up in my shoulders. Wowzers. Woo. Oh, one of my favorite stretches. Okay, bring your feet out, angle them. Come to the ground. You can bring them a little bit closer. Find some space. And just push the inner thighs out. And breathe. Just kind of find your center, your moment where you're at, and breathe into this. In preparation for baby.
Yay!
Bingo. Bingo. Take 3 long deep breaths at your pace. Ready? Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Really make it worth it. Inhale through your nose. Hold it for a moment. And then exhale through your mouth. Come up slowly. Let's conclude with 1 deep breath right here. Inhale. Exhale. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video, share it with other people so they can also benefit from this. Take good care. I would love to hear from you how you've been doing and where you're at, and any pictures you want to send my way of your baby. That would be so neat to see. Bye-bye.